Okay, boys. So today we are going to discuss a force which is called magnetic force, magnetic things. May the force be with you. Find out what magnets are and that magnets can attract or repel each other. Attracts mean they will be joined with each other, okay? And repel mean they will go away. They will go away from each other. Magnets can either push or okay. We are going to investigate what happens with what happens when we bring two magnets together. When we bring two magnets together. Hello, Omar. Okay, so look at the right side of your page. Here is written circle the correct word. Okay, north end facing south end. This is north end which is facing south end. If you bring two magnets like this, okay, if you bring near two magnets like this, the magnets will moved together.
Sir,
Opposite ends.
sir,
Yes, Abdullah.
sir, I want to.
Abdullah, be with me. It's page 56.
Sir, I
Yes.
want to get my pencil.
Okay, okay, no problem. Bring it.
Okay.
Opposite ends of the magnet attract. Opposite ends, because this is north and this is south, so they will attract each other. Attract, you will make a circle here. Attract, not repel. Attract. Attract means they will be joined, and repel means they will go away. Okay, number two, north end facing north end. Yani these are same now. It's mean they are now we will put them like this, north and north. The magnets moved apart, okay, not together, apart. The north end of magnet not attracts, repel each other because they are both same poles repel each other. Repel, okay, they don't attract. Number three, south end facing south and the magnets moved apart, not together. The south end of the magnet attracts or repel each other because they are same, so they repel each other. Okay, you will make circle on repel. Okay, number four, north end above north end and south end above south end. North on north and south on south. The magnet pulled together or pushed together. Those pushed together, pushed apart, not pulled together. Like ends of the magnet attract or repel. Like ends repel each other. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, finish them and then we will move next page, move towards next page.
Finish.
Okay, finish.
Good.
Next page is page number 57.
Sir,
North and above, Abdullah, wait for me, please. North end above south end and south end above north end. It's mean we change the directions now. South on north and north on south. The magnets will pulled apart. The magnets pulled apart, and opposite ends of magnets attract each other, not repel, because they are opposite. North with south, they will attract each other. You got it right? Law of magnetism is
yes.
opposite poles attract and like poles, it means same poles, repel each other. Did you investigate show you this? Investigation shows this. The magnetic forces on Earth come out at the North Pole and the South Pole. These two forces are attracted to each other. They bend around the Earth surface to meet the middle. The Earth is like this, okay? The Earth, there is the equator. This is North Pole, this is South Pole, and the Earth behaves like a magnet because there is force of attraction, which is called gravity. Okay, where do you think the magnetic field is strongest, at the pole or at the equator? This is the question. Okay, general. So here we have page number 57. How much have you learned about magnets? Write the sentences in the correct order. You will write these as correct answer, as correct. You will write inside metals there are millions of particles. You will write here like this. Okay, number 2, each particle has a north end and a south end. This is the sequence. Next, in a magnetic metal, all the particles are lined up. In a magnetic metal, all the particles are lined up north, south. This is the sequence. Next, opposite poles of a magnet attract, okay, like poles of a magnet repel. This is the sequence. Okay, this is your homework. You will write here and send me. Okay, for your help I will send this in Google Drive. This is also your homework, page 58. Which of these things do you think is magnetic? Okay, Nadeem, can you hear me? Omar, Usama, Abdullah, Khalid Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay, this is your homework.
Yes. Yes. I can hear you. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
steel.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Good. Sir. Yes. Homework page with.
Okay, homework is page 57. You will write all of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in sequence as I told you. I will send the video and also the page. Okay, and this also is your homework. This is all your homework. Which of these things do you think are magnetic? If you bring the magnet here, it will attract steel and aluminum. This is the chair, glass window, table which is made up of wood, pan, cast iron, bowl, plastic bowl, drink can, aluminum, water pipe, copper, and food can, which is steel. Okay, now you should open page number 59. 59. Okay. On page 59, on the left side, we have complete the sentences. We found out that all the magnetic objects are metals. We found out that all magnetic objects are metals, but not all the objects made of metals are magnetic. Only the objects made of iron and steel are magnetic. Iron and steel. Okay, the other objects which are wood, glass, plastic, aluminum, copper, etc, etc are non-magnetic. Okay, next we have magnetic metals. The Earth's core is magnetic. It is made of three metals which are iron, nickel, and cobalt. Iron, cobalt, and nickel are the only magnetic metals. Iron is very common on the Earth's surface, and nickel is quite common, but cobalt is extremely rare. You cannot find cobalt easily. Many metal objects are made of steel. Why is steel magnetic? Because steel is mixture of metals. It is mainly iron. That's why it's magnetic. with some nickel. Metals that are mixed together are called alloys. Steel is an alloy of iron. Okay, on the right side we have some activities. Not all steel objects are magnets. There are only they are only they only behave like a magnet when they are magnetized. Magnetized means when you rub them. Okay, this is an activity we will do in our science lab, inshallah. Okay, which of the metals are magnetic? Draw a circle around the magnetic metals. Iron, steel, and cobalt. Others are non-magnetic things, objects, metals. Copper, tin, lead, brass, aluminium, and silver are, and gold are non-magnetic. This is it for today. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.